Namaskar. Welcome to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you the difference between Dhanurasana and Urdhva Dhanurasana. Names sound same, but there's a lot of difference. So let's get started. So first we'll be seeing Dhanurasana. So most of them knows what is Dhanurasana. It's a bow pose. So you will take a prone position lying on your belly. We fold our knees. You catch hold your ankles. I've also made a tutorial on Dhanurasana. You can go check it out. And then lifting your thighs up and lifting your head up. So as you can see in Dhanurasana, your belly is on the floor. And what is up is your thighs, chest and your head is up towards the ceiling. So feel the stretch. You can stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2 and relax. Relax your thighs, relax your chest and your head down. So now from here we move to the Urdhva Dhanurasana. Urdhva means upside down. So you will see bow pose, but you will see the reverse bow pose. So for that we will take a supine position. So this is the first difference. What we did in Dhanurasana was on the belly. So here in Urdhva Dhanurasana we do it on the spine. Yes? Okay. Now lifting we will slowly lift our belly up, coming in semi-bridge or bridge or Dhanurasana. And your palms. Place it and you can rest your crown on your mat with the support of your palm. And now we catch hold our ankles. So we stretch our spine and belly. So belly was where on the mat for in Dhanurasana, but in Urdhva Dhanurasana, your belly is facing up to the ceiling, and wherein your crown is resting on the mat. In Dhanurasana, your head was up facing towards the ceiling. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2 and very slowly place one by one palms behind for the support, and we relax vertebrae by vertebrae our spine and relax your head. And then you can either use hugging your knees, massaging your neck, nodding your head, and then slowly we come back. So friends, did you see that? The difference between Dhanurasana and Urdhva Dhanurasana. I recommend you to practice this and put up in the comment section. Till then, stay blessed. Namaste.